their way. And so we need to help our people. That's why, by the grace of God, I give you an example. It's not that I subscribe to everything that Zakzaky does. It's not that I subscribe to everything. But like I confronted the government, you have no right to incarcerate somebody like that. Kotu tabashi, bail. Respect the injunction. That's number one. Number two, when these people were attacked, they never took arms. So para being places and destroying. They are moving on a protest. Peaceful protest. Release our leader. Now, these people have gone through all of that. Would you not listen to them? No matter how terrible you are as a father, they are crying. The natural thing is discuss with them. You can do the highest thing. Put him in the house arrest. And then call the leaders of Shiites. Kungani, it's your country. We don't have to destroy it. Certain laws you have taken into your hands, do it this way. Do it this way. And they will be willing. You will pass sense. Instead of destruction, you construct.